Hello everybody! Today we are here at Okada Manila. We're just having a weekend together here. It's nearly Valentine's Day. I'll take you around the room. Here, I'll show you guys the room. So this is the hallway. And let's go inside the room. Let's take a room tour while the boyfriend isn't here yet. So it's tayo pa lang. So here on the right, this is it's just a regular room. Laundry area. They got some bathrobes here. His and hers bathrobe. This is like a little nook here. Like what I said in the video title, it's also testing out my new GoPro. So this is the super view of the GoPro. Okay, the room looks much bigger in this view. This is the room. I don't know why magkahiwalay siya. I asked them to like give us like a room with a single big bed, so I don't know why. I'm satisfied with my GoPro. This is how my face looks like if we'll use the super view. It's my outfit for today. I'm matching the room. Cute now. So we're testing out the GoPro Hero 10 also in this video. I guess that can be the title. Okada Staycation plus testing out the Hero 10. Here's my beautiful Hero 10. My shop-out face. Anyway. Okay, let's go back to the standard view. Okay, I think we're going with the narrow view. Okay, if we do the narrow view, it's like parang straight. You can see everything straight. It's not warped. Okay, so anyway, here's the bathroom. Ooh, fancy. Okay, jacuzzi over here. Toilet. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I wanna do that all over again. It didn't close. It opened by itself kanina. Anyway, the toilet, separate toilet and bath. Ooh, masarap maligo. Very nice. I wish I could have this in my own room. Excited. I didn't buy any bath bombs, pero I'm still excited to try it. And then his and her sink. Let's look at the view. Oh, there's nobody in the pool. We can go to the pool now. Yam, there's no one in the pool. So the room is a smaller room. I think it's a regular room lang. But, the view is really nice. Oh, you see there? I want to go there. I'm not sure if we can go there. I want to go there. I'm with Erwin. Today, ipa-post ko yan. Ipa-post ko yan. We're gonna look for a wallet. Kaso lang close lahat ng shops. Ang dami. Most of them are closed, yeah. Dati ba when you went here, puro open to mga to, no? I don't remember. Tagal na natin hindi nakalabas. Parang tumanda na tayo na hindi lumalabas ng bahay. There's nobody here but us. I'm just scared. What's this, yeah? This part? We haven't really explored much of Okada, to be honest. Sa gaming area lang kami usually kasi. Buksan niya. Ano kaya? May event? Function room. I don't think we're in the right area na.
Interrupt my therapy, let me be.
So we checked in Okada, but we're going to transfer to Soler. We're gonna check out more shops kasi parang there are 2 little shops in Okada at the moment. So, and we'll drive to Soler here. Soler is also very pretty. Oh, there's the outside of Okada. There are more shops here. More high-end shops here in Soler. In Okada, parang everything's like pretty much closed pa. And I think there's more food here. I've eaten in the food here. The food here is delicious naman. So we might opt to eat here or I don't know, go somewhere else to eat. Parang we don't feel like eating sa Okada yun. Okada. Let's go in. For this one kasi, si fresh. This one is ano lang, what you call it, buffet. So, we might not go there. Pero waterside daw, it's like, ano siya pa, it's
Latin.
Yeah, Latin American food. Maybe we can try that one. Latin American food. And then, si Red Lantern naman is like Asian food, Chinese food. Red Lantern is there. I've tried that na Red Lantern. That one's good naman. But I wanna go here sa waterside. So we bought here. What's the name of the shop? The patisserie.
That's not a vlogger. Vlogger.
Vlogger ka ba?
We bought that one, the lemon ricotta cream cheese. Thank you. Oh, this one.
This instrumental, thank God for the incremental success that I've lately had. Impressed I greatly have. Get tested, I make a slab. Get paper, I'm made for that. It's kind of
Here we bought a cake here in the patisserie in Soler, and then we're just gonna bring it na lang sa Okada later. It's actually near the Lacoste shop. Ayan, guilty as charged. So, wallet na sa kanila. Bilis.
Yung bago kong binili.
Really? You wanna see guys this new wallet? Sige ha. Ayan, bago yan. Oh! This is old wallet. Pakita mo yung bago.
Wag na.
Pakita mo yung bago. We just finished, then we're going to unbox the cake or open the cake. Here. We dropped this kanina. Oh shit! Hindi na siya buhay! Let's yum it. Yum, let's eat it. This is the cake. There's like a layer of a really soft sponge cake. It's a cream, I'm not sure, mousseline. And then a lemon curd here in the middle. And then again sponge cake and then some cream again. Then just some white chocolate. Go. It's simple, it's delicious.